Okay, this is 1530 Spruce Street. Large apartment building in the Rittenhouse Square neighborhood, bordering Rittenhouse Square Graduate Hospital. Tons of bars and restaurants nearby. It sits on beautiful Spruce Street. The building's called the Newport. Okay, it's really pretty. Well maintained, updated building. Nice land, like flower pots. It's a really pretty building. This is the main entrance. Keypad entry. There's a small gym in the building. It's an elevator building as well. Goes all the way to the end there. And all the way up. There's a second entrance. Or exit. Around the corner. So again, keypad entry. Can be dropped off inside the locked door, which is a huge benefit today. Okay, this is the common area. Really nicely maintained, great security. Okay, that's that other entrance I was showing you before. Here's the elevator, stairwell. Okay, I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna be waiting a second. I'm gonna go down to see some of the other common spaces. There's your mail area. Okay. Another one of your exits. The elevator. That's how you would get up to the unit. Again, really nicely maintained. Well secured property. If you don't have stackable washer dryer in the unit, which many of them do, these are some common area units if needed. Here's the fitness center. So everything will go on. Nice machines. That's the game. Standard bench. Weights. Cardio equipment. That's the common space. Now, as we head back up, we would then be going up to the unit. That's what will connect to this video to show you the main space. Hope you like it.
Hello everyone. I'm inside this beautiful studio apartment. It is the unit number is A22. I just got in and it's a tenant occupied unit. First thing you look, you see as you walk in is this beautiful hardwood floor. The tenant has placed area rack over it, and also you have these huge 2 windows for the natural light, and you have a loft for your bed. And a good thing, I can go up and show you what it looks like up there. And under the loft you have this nice kitchen. In the kitchen you have this refrigerator and a gas oven and cooktop. You have a range hood. You have a lot of storage cabinets, and also you have here a built-in microwave. Over there, down there is a dishwasher. It's everything you need in the kitchen. Very nice sink, and a drawer in a cabinet, and also you have a garbage disposal. All right, so from this side of the unit, you could see over there on your left, right next to the door, is your closet. Actually, this closet is very big, huge closet. Can take a lot of stuff. Say hi to the camera. And you have a cat here. So the next room I would like to show you is the bathroom. Before that, I just want to show you how big the apartment is. That is the door, and good. Now the last place I would like to show you is the bathroom. It's a nice bathroom. It's a tile floor. Tile wall. A shower tub combo. Bathtub combo here. Nice. You have here sink, medicine cabinet. I could open it this way. And also a toilet. This belongs to the tenant. He organized everything neatly, and you have a frosted window here for ventilation and light. All right, I just showed you what unit 822 looks like. Studio apartment. Very high ceiling. The unit has a central air and heat. Just beautiful. Lastly, I would like to show you what it looks like upstairs in the loft for your mattress. You have this ladder to climb up, and when you go up, actually it takes a big size mattress. I don't know the exact size, but it looks like either full or queen. Don't quote me on this one. I believe it's full. It is bigger, but it's a big size. A big size for the bed, for the mattress here. Thank you for watching.